Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to configure HTTP Strict Transport Security, or HSTS, on a big IP virtual server using the configuration utility. HSTS helps protect your site against HTTP downgrade attacks by requiring clients to use HTTPS. It also helps protect against mixed content by automatically upgrading supported HTTP requests to HTTPS for the configured domain. The Big IP system can insert the Strict Transport Security HTTP response header to enforce HSTS. You enable HSTS in an HTTP profile using the configuration utility. Before you perform this procedure, make sure that the virtual server you will use for HSTS has a client SSL profile applied. HSTS applies only to HTTPS traffic and requires that clients connect over TLS. When you enable HSTS, compatible clients request only HTTPS pages from your site. If your site must serve non-HTTPS content, some resources may become unavailable after HSTS is enabled. To configure HSTS using an HTTP profile, log into the configuration utility and go to Local Traffic, Profiles. For services, select HTTP. Select Create. Enter a name for the new HTTP profile that you will use to enforce HSTS. In HTTP Strict Transport Security, for mode, select the custom checkbox and then select the enabled checkbox to enable HSTS in this HTTP profile. Optionally, for maximum age, select the custom checkbox and then enter the maximum number of seconds that clients should treat the site as HTTPS only. Optionally, select the custom checkbox for Include Subdomain and clear the Enabled checkbox if you do not want the Include Subdomains directive included in the Strict Transport Security response header. Optionally, for Preload, select the custom checkbox and select the Preload checkbox if you want the preload directive included in the Strict Transport Security response header. Select Finished. The Big IP system saves the HTTP profile with HSTS enabled. To apply HSTS to traffic, associate the new HTTP profile with a virtual server that processes HTTPS requests for your site. To do so, go to Local Traffic, Virtual Servers. Select the virtual server, and on the virtual server page for HTTP profile, select the profile you just created, and then select Update. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.